Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are bringing you a mouth-watering recipe featuring boneless chicken thighs with the perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors. So guys, grab your apron and get ready to embark on a flavorful journey as we dive into this delectable recipe. Let's get cooking. First things first, we're gonna prep the ginger. Take a fresh ginger root and hold it firmly in your hand. Use the edge or the tip of the teaspoon to scrape off the skin of the ginger root. Once the ginger is peeled, place it on a cutting board. Then take a sharp knife, cut ginger slices together, and finally mince them by cutting them into small pieces. Place in the bowl and set aside. Now let's move on to make the sauce. In a measuring cup, combine soy sauce, brown sugar, mix well, then add chopped ginger. We're gonna follow with black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Mix well, then set aside. So here guys, I have 8 skinless and boneless chicken thighs. We're gonna go ahead and cook them. We don't need to marinate or season them. Heat the oil in a skillet or non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the marinated chicken thighs to the pan. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until they are cooked through and nicely browned. You may need to cook them in batches if your pan is not large enough, like what I'm doing here guys, to accommodate all 8 thighs at once. Next, remove the cooked chicken from the pan and set it aside on a plate. Then continue to cook the remaining chicken. Next, we are going to discard the oil used for frying before adding the chicken and the sauce. When frying chicken for any other food, some oil may accumulate in the pan, and if there is excess oil left in the pan after frying, discarding it helps reduce the overall oil content in the dish. And this can be especially important if you prefer a lighter or healthier meal. So we're gonna put the chicken back. Then we're gonna go ahead and add that sauce we made earlier. Now we're gonna move it around, stir it around to make sure that each chicken piece is coated with the sauce. Next, we are going to cover the pot with the lid. It will help with heat retention, enhance flavor infusion, tenderizing the chicken, and sauce reduction. As you can see, as soon as the sauce has reduced, we're gonna go ahead and garnish with green onions. And our dish is done. Guys, you can serve it with steamed rice, stir-fried vegetables, noodles, roasted vegetables, coleslaw. Feel free to mix and match these side dish options based on your preferences and dietary requirements. Enjoy your meal guys. Let me know what you think about this recipe. What recipes would you like to see on Mama Bui's Kitchen? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye my